In this video, we're going to learn how to use the jQuery UI to create menus. First, let's create a list inside our first div. So it's going to be an unordered list, and we are going to give it an ID, continents. Okay, and then we're going to place some list items there, continents. So let's have 5 list items. Let's go for Europe and Africa, America, Asia, and then Australia. Okay, and now we're going to create another level. So inside the first list item, we're going to have another sub list. Okay, and let's place some countries there. So it's let's have France. Okay, let's have UK and Spain. And now we're going to go another level. So the UK includes a few countries. So we're just going to create another sub list inside the UK. Okay, so we're looking at England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland. Let's change the styling of Facebook and set the height to auto. That's better. And okay, so now to create the menu using the jQuery UI, we'll access the list using its ID, which is continents, and then we'll use a method. It's called menu. At the moment, we don't need any properties in there. So if you refresh the page, so you can see how it looks like. Okay, so we can change the width of the list items. So we can access the class UI menu and then change the width there. Let's set it to 100 pixels, for example. Okay, that looks better. So now we can see the next level and the third level as well. Okay, so that's how menus work. Sometimes we want to show, so rather than having a second level there, so we're going to have categories, and under the categories we can have the second level showing under the category. Okay, so we're going to create another menu in the next div, and we're going to have categories, and the next level is going to show under the categories. Okay, so all we're going to do, we're going to copy paste this list inside the Apple div. Okay, and we're going to change the styling of the Apple div as well to auto height. All right, and we're gonna, okay, let's give it an ID continents 2, and let's create the menu using the jQuery UI method. Okay, that's similar at the moment. Okay, so as we said, we want these first level items to be categories. Okay, these items are not gonna be containing other lists. So first, if we look at Europe, so we're just gonna close the tag there. We're gonna have these items as list items after the category. Okay, but we need to add one more thing. So the category needs a class. Okay, It's called UI widget header. Okay, and we can already see the styling has changed there. Okay, and we need to copy this class to all the categories. Okay, so it's going to be same thing for this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay, so now we can see the next level there, and we can just access, you know, the third level from there. All right. Okay, so that's how menus work with the jQuery UI. In the next video, we'll look at progress bars.